Top 5 Cashback Credit Cards for 2024. Hey there, fellow finance enthusiasts and smart spenders. Welcome back to your go-to channel for all things credit, CreditWise USA. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join our community of savvy money managers. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're diving deep into the world of cashback credit cards. But not just any cards. We're talking about the creme de la creme, the best of the best for the year 2024. Now, let's be real. In a world where every penny counts, who wouldn't want to earn while they spend? That's why cashback credit cards are such a fantastic tool in your financial arsenal. They're not just plastic in your wallet. They're your allies in making every transaction more rewarding. But here's the catch. Not all cashback cards are created equal. Some give you amazing rewards on groceries, while others might be your best friend when dining out or filling up the tank. And that's exactly why we've done the heavy lifting for you. We've sifted through the myriad of options and pinpointed the top 5 cashback credit cards that are a must-have for 2024. And let me tell you, the number 1 card on our list? It's a game changer. It's the card that's going to make you rethink how you earn rewards on your everyday spending. But, I'm not going to spoil the surprise just yet. You'll have to stick around to find out which card takes the top spot and why it deserves to be in your wallet. 5. U.S. Bank Cash Plus Visa Signature Card. Starting our list at number 5, we have the U.S. Bank Cash Plus Visa Signature Card. This isn't just any card, it's a customizable cashback machine. Imagine having the power to choose your own high-earning categories. With this card, you get a whopping 5% cash back on your first $2,000 in combined eligible purchases each month in 2 categories you choose. That's right, whether it's gyms, cell phone providers, or fast food, the choice is yours. And for your everyday needs, there's 2% cash back at gas stations, grocery stores, and even restaurants. For everything else, you still earn 1%. But keep in mind, this flexibility comes with a price, an annual fee of $95. So, make sure your cash back outpaces that cost. 4. Capital One Savor One Cash Rewards Visa Credit Card. At number 4, let's welcome the Capital One Savor One Cash Rewards Visa. This card is a must-have for those who live to eat and play. You'll earn a generous 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, and grocery store purchases. That's right, whether you're a foodie indulging in the newest restaurant in town, a movie buff, or just stocking up on groceries, this card rewards your lifestyle. And for everything else, you're looking at 1% cash back. The best part? It does all this without charging you an annual fee. However, it's important to note that there's no welcome bonus with this one. So it's all about the long game with consistent rewards. 3. Discover It Cashback. Sliding into number 3, we have the Discover It Cashback card. This card is like a chameleon, adapting to your spending habits. Every quarter, it offers a hefty 5% cash back on different categories, like Amazon.com, grocery stores, or gas stations, on up to $1,500 in purchases. And for everything else? You'll still earn a steady 1% back. The real kicker here is the first-year bonus. Discover matches all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year, with no limit. Imagine doubling your earnings just like that. And with no annual fee, it's a card that keeps on giving. 2. Citi Double Cash Card. At a close second, we have the Citi Double Cash Card. This card is the epitome of simplicity and efficiency. Here's how it works. You earn 2% cash back on every purchase, 1% when you buy, and another 1% as you pay. It's like getting rewarded twice for being financially responsible. There's also a neat little welcome bonus. A $200 cash back after you spend $1,500 in the first 6 months. And with no annual fee, it's a straightforward, uncomplicated way to earn cash back on everything you buy. 1. Chase Freedom Flex. And now, the crown jewel, our number 1 pick, the Chase Freedom Flex. This card isn't just at the top of our list. It's a contender for the top spot in your wallet. You're getting an incredible 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in combined purchases in bonus categories each quarter you activate. These categories change and can include everything from travel to dining. Plus, you earn 3% on dining at restaurants, including takeout and drugstore purchases. Everything else? A solid 1% back. And let's talk about the welcome bonus. It's a showstopper. In your first year, you earn 5% back on all purchases, and then Chase matches that amount as bonus points, up to $20,000. That's potentially a lot of extra cash back. And all this with no annual fee. It's a card that truly earns its top spot. And there you have it, my credit-wise friends. The top 5 cashback credit cards of 2024, each with its unique perks and benefits. Whether you're looking to maximize your rewards on everyday spending, dining out, or managing those bigger purchases, one of these cards is likely to fit the bill. Remember, the right credit card can be a powerful financial tool, but it's all about how you use it. Always spend within your means and pay off your balances to avoid interest charges. That's how you make the most out of these cashback opportunities. I hope this rundown helps you make an informed decision about which card to add to your wallet this year. If you've found this video helpful, please hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to us here at CreditWise USA. We're always here to help you navigate the world of credit, savings, and personal finance. Until next time, keep being credit-wise and financially savvy. Here's to a prosperous and rewarding 2024.